Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with essential checks and an immediate power cycle. First, plug the phone into a known good charger and confirm battery level is above 10%. Once connected, inspect the device quickly for visible damage or moisture at ports because hardware issues mimic black screens. Now perform a force restart. Hold power and volume down for 10 to 15 seconds. This clears temporary firmware hangs. If the display flickers or the logo appears, make sure to note timing and behavior for the next steps. Once the force restart either failed or brought no permanent fix, boot into safe mode to isolate software causes, press and hold power, then long press power off and choose safe mode when prompted. You should see a corner label if successful. This tells you third-party apps aren't running. Next, test the display. Shine a flashlight at an angle to spot dim image or connect to an external monitor if your model supports it. If safe mode shows the UI, uninstall recent apps causing conflicts and reboot normally. If software troubleshooting fails, back up your data now. Use cloud or USB transfer because the next step is a factory reset which restores system files. For phones with removable backs, power down and carefully reseat the battery and display connectors. Loose contacts commonly cause black screens. Once done, power on and check. If the screen stays black, or you see streaks, burn-in, or no power on self-test at all, take the device to a professional repair service. Don't attempt advanced soldering yourself.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.